Imagine waking up with tingling fingers or legs that feel weak. Many assume it's just old age. In reality, these can be silent signs that your collagen is breaking down. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies, providing structure to everything from skin to blood vessels to the protective coverings of nerves. After about age 60, collagen production plummets and existing collagen degrades faster, leading to weakening muscles, stiffer joints, and problems with blood flow that can cause numbness or tingling. But here's the good news. You don't need pharmaceuticals to fight back. Nature offers a cheaper DIY route that actually works. I'm Dr. Ace, and I'll show you exactly how to restore your collagen and put the spring back in your step with simple foods you can make yourself. Let's get started with the first snack that could transform how you feel.
Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you something extraordinary. Up to 20% of people over 60 experience peripheral neuropathy. That's nerve damage causing tingling and numbness. And by 80, the average person has lost 30% of their muscle mass. But here's the kicker. These aren't inevitable parts of aging. They're red flags your body is sending, and they can be addressed with the right nutrition. This isn't folklore. It's science, plain and simple.
Let's talk about why collagen matters for your nerves and muscles. Collagen is essentially the glue that holds our body together, accounting for about 30% of all our protein. It's the primary building block of connective tissues that fortifies our skin, ligaments, tendons, and bones. There are 28 types of collagen, but types I, 2, and 3 are most common. Type I builds tough tendons, bones, and skin. Type 2 is found in cartilage, cushioning your joints. Type 3 forms supportive meshes in muscles and blood vessel walls. Healthy nerves depend on collagen more than you might realize. Your peripheral nerves are insulated and protected by collagen-rich connective tissues. When collagen breaks down with age, tendons and cartilage can wear thin, potentially compressing nerves and leading to that pins and needles sensation. But the solution isn't expensive supplements, it's what you eat.
Hold on to your hats, folks. Here's a shocker from the Cleveland Clinic. Your body needs ample vitamin C to form collagen's triple helix structure. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't make collagen. It's like trying to fix a roof with no tools. And get this. Up to 1 in 3 seniors 65 and older suffers a fall each year, often due to frail muscles and poor balance. But you can change that trajectory starting today.
Let's start with our first collagen-boosting snack, warm bone broth, a homemade collagen soup. Bone broth is a mineral and collagen-rich stock made by simmering animal bones for hours, often with a splash of vinegar to help extract nutrients. As bones simmer, they release gelatin, which is collagen broken down into a form your body can absorb. A good bone broth is packed with collagen's amino acids like glycine and proline, plus minerals like magnesium and calcium. Glycine is especially beneficial. It supports nerve signal transmission and calms overactive nerves. One study showed that older adults doing exercise had significantly better gains in muscle strength when they took collagen peptides compared to exercise alone. For best results, make it at home by simmering beef or chicken bones in water with vinegar, salt, and herbs for 8 to 12 hours. You'll know you succeeded when chilled broth turns jiggly. That's your collagen. Aim for about 1 cup of pineapple, 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
Folks, listen up. That gelatin in bone broth isn't just for gel. Oh, it's a powerhouse. In one clinical trial, healthy men given 15 grams of gelatin with vitamin C an hour before exercise had double the markers of new collagen synthesis compared to placebo. That's right, double. And get this, glycine makes up about 1/3 of collagen and has been shown to improve sleep and mood while aiding nerve recovery. This isn't magic, it's biology working for you.
Our second snack is vitamin C-infused gelatin gummies, a DIY collagen jello that's both fun and powerful. Remember Jello jigglers? This is a health-boosting twist, homemade gelatin gummies made from plain gelatin and vitamin C-rich fruit juice. Gelatin is collagen broken into smaller pieces that your body uses to patch up collagen fibers. The real science here is impressive. Combining gelatin with vitamin C turbocharges your body's collagen production. The vitamin C acts like a foreman telling your cells to lay down new collagen while the gelatin supplies the raw materials. For nerve issues, these gummies give you a 1-2 punch. Collagen amino acids to rebuild connective tissue around nerves, plus antioxidants from real fruit to reduce inflammation. To make them, heat up 100% fruit juice. Stir in unflavored gelatin until it dissolves. Add a bit of honey for sweetness if needed, then refrigerate until set. Aim for 5 to 10 grams of gelatin per day.
Listen closely, America. Here's something the supplement companies don't want you to know. Over-the-counter collagen supplements aren't tightly regulated, so quality varies wildly. But nature's version? It's been perfecting this formula for thousands of years. That little cup of bone broth or those gelatin gummies you make at home? They're packed with bonus nutrients, vitamins, anti-inflammatories, fiber that pills simply can't match. Why pay for a magic bullet when the real magic is in your kitchen?
Third on our list, sardines with bones and skin on whole grain crackers. Sardines might not scream collagen at first, but they're a sneaky collagen powerhouse. Those tiny soft bones in canned sardines are rich in type I collagen and calcium, supporting your own bones and connective tissues. The fish skin is loaded with collagen peptides too. Just one small can provides over 300% of your daily B12 needs, crucial because vitamin B12 helps maintain the myelin sheath around nerves. Sardines are also packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids that reduce nerve inflammation and joint stiffness. For best results, choose good quality canned sardines with bones and skin intact. Mash them on a fiber-rich cracker or cucumber slice, add lemon for vitamin C, and enjoy. This snack delivers a huge nutrient punch that can noticeably improve B12 status and potentially ease neuropathic tingling.
Well, butter my butt and call me a biscuit. Did you know that the Foundation for Peripheral Neuropathy specifically advises a diet with fish, nuts, and fresh produce to help manage neuropathy? And here's the kicker. Sardines deliver all that in one convenient package. They're like little silver bullets of nutrition, packed with B12, omega-3s, and collagen, all working together to protect those delicate nerves in your hands and feet.
Fourth on our list, hard-boiled eggs, especially the whites. Egg whites are one of the purest protein sources and particularly high in proline, an amino acid absolutely necessary for collagen production. Proline, along with glycine, forms the triple helix strands of collagen fibers. By eating egg whites, you supply proline directly to your fibroblast cells so they can crank out more collagen to repair joints, skin, and connective tissue. If your hands are tingling due to carpal tunnel or tendon issues, extra collagen support from eggs might help strengthen those tissues. The yolks contain vitamin D and choline that support muscle function and nerve signaling, plus selenium and B vitamins. One egg provides about 6 grams of protein, exactly what older adults need more of to prevent muscle wasting. Keep a batch boiled and ready in your fridge for a quick grab-and-go snack.
Hold your horses, folks. Did you know that eggs are sometimes called nature's multivitamin? But here's the real story, that humble egg white is packed with proline, a key ingredient your body needs to build collagen. And get this, the yolk isn't just for show. It's loaded with vitamin D and choline that keep your muscles and nerves firing properly. So next time you're thinking about skipping the egg, remember, you're not just eating breakfast, you're building your body's infrastructure.
Fifth on our list, a handful of cashews or other nuts. A small handful of cashews, about 1 ounce, is a convenient snack you can keep by your armchair. Cashews provide zinc and copper, both of which boost your body's ability to create collagen. Copper is a cofactor for an enzyme that links collagen fibers together, making them strong. Without enough copper, collagen that your body produces can be weak or defective. Zinc is required for DNA replication in collagen-producing cells and helps heal tissues. Beyond collagen, nuts contain healthy fats that reduce inflammation in blood vessels and nerves. Less inflammation means less pressure on nerves, translating to less tingling and pain. Nuts also provide magnesium for nerve function and L-arginine, an amino acid that improves circulation by producing nitric oxide. Better blood flow in the legs can alleviate that heavy, tired feeling.
Gather around the radio, folks. I've got a real humdinger for you. Cashews are sometimes called nature's vitamin pill because they're rich in minerals. Here's the scoop. Copper is like the foreman on your collagen construction site. It makes sure all those fibers get properly connected. That's the quality control inspector, making sure the whole structure is solid. Without these little minerals, your collagen scaffolding would be about as sturdy as a house of cards.
Sixth on our list, red bell pepper strips with hummus. This plant-based snack pairs fresh red bell peppers with creamy hummus, packing a ton of collagen-supporting nutrients. Bell peppers, especially red ones, are extremely high in vitamin C. One medium red pepper can provide over 150% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis. It drives the chemical reaction that turns amino acids into sturdy collagen fibers. Hummus, made from chickpeas, is an excellent source of plant protein and notably high in lysine, one of the 3 key amino acids for collagen production. Chickpeas also supply folate and magnesium for nerve health and fiber for gut health. The garlic in hummus contains sulfur compounds that help connect and reinforce collagen fibers. This combination creates a synergy. Vitamin C helps assemble new collagen, while amino acids and minerals provide the raw material.
Well, I'll be. Did you know that red bell peppers have more vitamin C than an orange? That's right, folks, more than an orange. And when you pair that vitamin C powerhouse with hummus, which is loaded with lysine, you've got yourself a 1-2 punch for collagen production. It's like giving your body the perfect toolkit to rebuild and strengthen those connective tissues. So next time you're reaching for a snack, think about these colorful crunchers. They're doing more than just tasting good.
Seventh on our list, fresh pineapple, especially the core. Pineapple contains a unique enzyme called bromelain, which is a natural anti-inflammatory. Bromelain eats up pro-inflammatory compounds and helps reduce swelling in tissues. If your hands tingle or legs ache due to inflamed nerves or joints, bromelain can be a game changer. Studies show that patients with osteoarthritis who took bromelain reported a 41% decrease in joint pain and swelling within 1 month. The core of the pineapple is where bromelain is most concentrated, so don't discard it. You can slice the core into thin strips or throw it into a blender for a smoothie. For a therapeutic treat, make a joint-healing smoothie with pineapple core, ginger, yogurt, and ice. Aim for about 1 cup of pineapple 2 to 3 times a week for best results.
Listen up, America. Bromelain is one of the few dietary compounds that can reduce inflammation deep in the body, the kind that presses on nerves and causes tingling. And here's the kicker. It's all found right in that tropical fruit you probably think is just for dessert. So the next time you see a pineapple at the market, remember, it's not just delicious, it's like a natural pain reliever wrapped in a tasty package. You're not just eating fruit, you're taking medicine.
8th and final snack, vitamin C-rich fruits like kiwi or guava. Vitamin C is the key to collagen synthesis. Without it, your body cannot form new collagen fibers. Kiwi has twice as much vitamin C as an orange and provides vitamin K and antioxidants. In a New Zealand clinical trial, people over 60 who ate 2 kiwis a day had significantly less joint stiffness and better range of motion. Guava is a vitamin C superstar. 1 guava can have over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, about twice the recommended daily amount. Guava also provides lycopene and flavonoids that protect existing collagen. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are also high in vitamin C and contain compounds that prevent collagen breakdown. To maximize benefits, eat these fruits when your stomach isn't too full and pair with a bit of water. Aim for at least 1 high vitamin C fruit per day for visible signs of improving collagen levels.
Folks, this is the grand finale. The Cleveland Clinic says it loud and clear. No vitamin C means no collagen. It's as simple as that. But here's the beautiful part. Mother Nature gave us delicious fruits packed with this essential nutrient. Kiwis, guavas, berries. They're not just tasty treats. They're your body's building materials for strong nerves and muscles. So next time you're feeling that familiar tingling, reach for a piece of fruit instead of a pill. You're not just satisfying a craving. You're rebuilding your body from the inside out.